On the morning of Monday, March 12, 1888, the east coast of the United States, from Virginia to Maine, awoke to the most severe blizzard in American history. 4 feet of snow fell from the skies, and fierce winds created snowdrifts up to 50 feet high.
The blizzard of 1888 crippled the entire Northeast and shut down all of the streets and all the transportation in the cities. It forced a lot of soul-searching and thinking about how cities moved and lived and breathed and operated.
With over 400 dead and citizens left scared and angry, the blizzard underlined a transportation crisis that had been escalating for decades.